Here are the top 5 ultimate power drinks that can supercharge your day and improve your overall performance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss our energy boosting content. At number 5, the Morning Sunshine Elixir. A combination of fresh squeezed orange juice, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a dash of turmeric. This drink not only gives you a great kickstart to your day, but also supports your immune and digestive system. Plus, it's packed with vitamin C. Number 4, turbocharged matcha latte. Matcha contains nutrients from the entire tea leaf loaded with antioxidants, caffeine, and components to promote heart health. We amp it up with a touch of honey and almond milk for a delicious non-dairy energy boost. Number 3, Hydration Hero Coconut Water. Coconut water is not only delicious but rich in minerals, electrolytes, and antioxidants that help boost your energy levels instantly. Try sipping chilled coconut water when overheated or under the weather. Number 2, Bulletproof Coffee. To create this creamy concoction, brew freshly ground coffee, add it to MCT oil, which is a derivative of coconut oil, and a little grass-fed clarified butter to your blender until frothy. Premium ingredients are key to maximizing the flavors and providing a keto-friendly, sustained energy boost. And finally, at number 1, the Green Energy Smoothie. A great way to incorporate raw fruits and vegetables into your diet by blending spinach, kale, banana, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. This drink provides sustained energy, helps with muscle recovery, and really tastes great. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite power drink or any special recipes you'd like us to try. Thank you for watching.